I love making stuff. I used to dig up clay in the yard when I was 5 and like make pots out of it. I mean, I've always made things. There's this compulsion to make stuff. So I just got turned on by printmaking right away, and I never looked back. The Chicago Printmakers Collaborative is a community printmaking workshop. It offers press time for experienced printmakers. It offers classes for people who want to learn printmaking, and then a little bit of everything in between. I opened the shop in 1989, and I had a ton of members coming to work with me right away. When we had our 25th anniversary, it was kind of a big deal. So we did a catalog of that show, and it was all, you know, just because people wanted to celebrate our artists and our business. Fine art print is something made by hand. It's not put through a machine. These are prints that we create from metal, from stone, from wood. They are the original print. And a lot of people will say, why go through all that work? And at the end of the day, it's because we love how prints look. You cannot get these characteristics of an image in any other way, really. So it's intimate. Prints are intimate. It's not just printmaking. I just like creating. If I don't do it for a few days, I get the itch. I get antsy. I love the idea of creating something out of absolutely nothing. And you think, oh, I did that. You know, as simple as that. My name is Deborah Maris Slater, and I am the founder and director of the Chicago Printmakers Collaborative.